Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this purple smoky eye look that I have going on right here. You guys know that I love my neutral shades, but I've really been enjoying playing with a lot of colors. This is just a purple smoky eye look that I came up with. I think it's a really beautiful color and it can look flattering on so many different types of skin tones. You just have to know how to really make it work for your skin tone. So if you guys would love to learn how I achieved this look right here, then just keep watching and we're gonna go ahead and roll right on into the video. Okay guys, so I know that I look a little bit crazy today, but that's because we're actually gonna be starting off with our eyes first and then we're gonna do our face later. And just a quick side note, if you guys do hear noises in the background, I do have a fan sitting right next to me because it is literally like 5,000 degrees and I need to stay cool in this heat. And also my little one is listening to cartoons in the bedroom, so you might hear a little bit of that as well. So to start off, I'm going to be dipping into my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I'm just going to dip into this yellow shade right here. I'm going to put this in the crease, and this is going to be our first transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into a different blending brush and I'm going to dip into this little bit of a dark mustardy color right here. And we're going to blend this in the crease as well. So now dipping into my Colored Rain palette right here. I'm just going to take a little bit of a more tapered blending brush and I want to dip in to this really pretty matte purple shade here. And we're going to pop that in the crease as well. Now I am dipping into my Morphe 39A palette and using that same blending brush, but I'm going to use the other side, which is a dense packing side. I'm now going to pick up this dark purple shade right here, and I'm going to start putting that very low in the crease and in the outer V. So going back to the fluffy side of that brush, I'm just going to buff everything out. So for our lid color, I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to pick up this bright purple shimmer shade here. I'm just going to wet my brush with some Fix Plus and we're going to pop this on the lid. This purple color is giving me life. So now that we have that coated on our lid, I just want to dip back into the Colored Rain palette with that light purple and just kind of hit that right here just to brighten this up a little. And then to make the inner corners pop a little bit, I'm just going to pick up some of this mauve metallic color here. And I'm going to spray my brush again. And this is just gonna go right in the very inner corner. So now for our lower lash line, I'm going to dip back into that dark purple from the Morphe palette, and I'm going to run that right here. I'm just going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to dip into this hot pink shade here. I'm going to use this to smoke out that lower lash line. If you feel like the pink kind of overshadowed the purple, like that's what I feel it did a little bit, you can always just go back in with some more purple and just kind of blend it. So now I'm just gonna add some mascara. Now we're going to pop some lashes on. So I'm just going to run some liquid liner over the top of that so we can cover that lash band. So I'm going to quickly do my base makeup off camera and then I will be right back. Alright, so now that we have our base done, I just did my foundation, concealer, and my brows. And the reason why I did my base makeup off camera is because I am planning to come at you guys with a foundation routine very soon. So I figured I wouldn't include it since I will be doing that video very shortly. So now I'm just going to run some black pencil liner on my waterline. I'm going to add some lower lash mascara. I'm just going to give my nose a light contour. For blush, I'm just going to dip into this middle shade here. For highlight, I'm going to dip into the shade Butterscotch. I'm just going to pop some of that on the tip of my nose. And I'm gonna add some to my brow bone. So I'm going to give my face a quick spray of some more setting mist. More like drench myself in it. Now for lips, because I do have such a bold eye look going on, I want to stick with a pretty neutral looking lip. So I think I'm going to go for a nude lip. So I'm actually going to line my lips and I'm going to use Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Sugar and Spice. And then I'm going to fill them in using MAC lipstick in the shade Yash. Want to go back in with the lip liner to kind of define the edges. And that's our completed look. So I'm going to change real quick and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look right here. I really love how it came out. As you guys know, I'm not really one to play with color, but this summer I have really been stepping out of my comfort zone and definitely playing with a lot of color, blues and greens, pinks and purples, and I definitely love how this came out. I just want to say that if you are someone that really likes to stick to more neutral tone shades, then don't be afraid to really step out of your comfort zone and dig into some colors. You just have to know what colors fit you and how to really blend them out and make them work for your type of skin tone. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share. Also hit that notification bell at the bottom. That way you guys get notified every time I upload new videos. As always, I just want to say thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much and I will catch you in my next video. Mwah.